This is a project I created to essentially help PCOS be diagnosed earlier and actually on time, since it is a condition, it's a female health condition that is very often misdiagnosed or diagnosed far too late. So I'll start by registering. Then it takes you to the login page. And then you can log in. So, as you can see, it says hello with the username that you put in, and first it takes you to the forum page. I'll start by showing you the About Us page, which just quickly covers why I made this project. And then the information page can be seen too, and this is kind of a one-stop for all information about PCOS, so the symptoms, causes, links, and tests. And then there's a forum that I created too, so different people can post their different concerns on the forum. This website is still a work in progress, so you can see all of my test cases there. But let's just add a forum right now. And you can submit that, and once you go to the forum page, you can see that the post was created. At the moment, you do have to scroll through. Obviously, I would like to develop this user interface a bit more. This project is still a work in progress. But then you can hide or show the discussion, so you can see views from other users. As you can see in this forum, the user who posted it can clearly be seen. And that's the title I put in, that's the description, and then you can add responses. So if I were to add a response, I could say and submit that. Once I go to the forum, you can see it says interesting, and like that different people can comment on it and provide their own input into it. I also created a tracker. You can see it opens to the month. Right now it is April 2025, but you can also skip between months. And when you do that, you can create a new event. Now, when you create a new event, you can choose between diet, exercise, or period. For PCOS, all three of these things are very important factors to consider. So if you talk about your diet, I ate 3 apples today, you can just add that in, and you can say 15th April, perfect. So if you submit that, then you'll see on the 15th of April, a diet link has been created, and you can see that has been created, and you can go back to your tracker, create a new event, and you can exercise, or I ran 3 miles today. Add that in, submit, you can see, oh, how much exercise did I do today? I ran 3 miles, amazing. And you can also use this as a period tracker, because how regular your period is also a key sign of if you have PCOS or not. So you can talk about your period, like I had severe cramps today. And then you can submit that, and when you do, you'll see that period is in a different color, and there is a star next to the date. That just makes it easier for you to track your period, because at one glance you can visually see. I also added a quiz to test if you might have PCOS. So if you do get a high score, then it says that it's very likely you have PCOS, but it always refers you to an official doctor rather than making this the standard. And if you get a low score, it's possible but unlikely that you have PCOS. So that should be a nice indicator, and you can log out. Thank you for watching this video about my project. I hope you enjoyed it.